Meaning of inanity.
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 Inanity. The word inanity refers to something that is lacking in substance, significance, or meaning. It can also be used to describe shallow or frivolous behavior, speech, or thought. In essence, it is the state of being empty or pointless. The result of inanity is a lack of intellectual and emotional depth, leading to superficiality and a sense of emptiness. It can leave individuals feeling unfulfilled and disconnected from their own thoughts and emotions. Overall, inanity can have detrimental effects on personal growth, relationships, and society as a whole.